Doubt now.
So, Namaste everyone. In this video, we will take up the next. In the previous one, we had handled the 3D model 1. Let's go for 3D model 2 this time. So, you can see this is my model. We go to the quiz and go for the question next. The second question is this, it's not matching with the 3D model. Go for third one. No, not even that. Let's go for fourth. Yeah, so this is the problem for this particular model. Let us first look at this model carefully by rotating it in different directions. Okay, then okay, let me create the section. For section plane, I'll choose the right plane. Click OK. And when you see the right view, this is the front view that we are supposed to create. Now you can see hatching is not done in this particular phase and this particular area. What is the reason for that? The reason for that is this particular face is round and doesn't touch the section plane. And you see the top view, this particular face is not at all touching the sectional plane. If you turn off the section, you can see there is a slot cut over here, because of which the faces will not touch the section plane and that should not be hatched. That should not be hatched. So let us go ahead and see how to create this view. Of course, the 3D model is just given for understanding purpose. It will not be provided in the exams. Only this diagram will be given in the exams, and using this, you should be able to complete the model. Right. So the front view is shown by this particular arrow. This is the view we are supposed to draw. So let us begin creating. So this is from the previous problem. Let me just go down here and start doing the front view here. So to take a straight line at the bottom, straight line. First, let me take up to the center, that's 90. And from the 90, I have to take another radius over here. 56 is the diameter, so radius will be half of that, that is 28. 28. I have to take straight upward line of 56. And again, I have to go back by the same value as diameter, 56. Then down here, how much length I am going to take, so let me just take long enough length. And again, I'll start from this end of 24, and this end upwards 24. I'll go to line till here. So after that, this line we will not be able to see, so just trim it off. So TR double enter this. Then I have to take the inner circle, which is having a diameter of 32, which you can see. Take a line, take the midpoint as axis. From the axis, I have to take equal offsets on both sides. 32, half of that is 16, so 4 enter, 16 enter, click left, click right. And again TR double enter. This. Next, I need this slot here, and this is radius and diameter is 32. Radius will be half of 32 is 16. So enter, 16 enter, click and click below. Then I have to take this distance, that is 40 from this vertical edge. So O enter, 40 enter, within this edge, right. And again press TR double enter to remove this. Now I can go ahead and apply match properties, MA. Properties I have to take from these lines. Axis, okay, let me take solid lines first. Solid lines, select all the lines to make them solid first. And I'm going to use axis, this has to be axis. You can just drag the axis a little up as well. So this is our diagram. So when we watch our 3D model, the sectional view. Okay, sectional view when you watch the right view. This is actually our front view. In the software it is shown as right. Let's just not care about that much. So this is the area that we have to hatch. Just do the hatching, H, enter, and do the hatching for this area. So now we just have to find the area of this. So type double A, enter, and double A, double enter, then click on this. We'll get the area 520. The same we have to. So I think we made a small mistake here. What's the mistake? Check. This is 90. 82. 56. 40. 24. 16. Everything is exactly as we need them to be. Still, we are getting a different value for this. Why is that? So you have to choose the correct option from this and go to the next question. Right. So I'm not showing you the exact answer for this. Just do it and find it out yourself. Okay. Thank you.